Welcome to Porthcurno Beach, one of the most breathtaking coastal spots in all of Cornwall. Tucked away near Land's End, this beach is known for its powdery white sand, turquoise waters, and dramatic granite cliffs that frame the bay like a natural amphitheater. It's no surprise that Porthcurno is often listed among the most beautiful beaches in the UK. Whether you're here for a swim, a peaceful walk, or simply to take in the views, Porthcurno offers the perfect escape from the crowds. Just above the cliffs, you'll find the world-famous Minack Theatre, an open-air stage carved into the rock, with panoramic sea views that are nothing short of magical. Performances here come with nature as the backdrop, waves crashing, seabirds soaring, and sunsets melting into the horizon. But there's more to this quiet cove than just beauty. Porthcurno played a key role in global communication history. The Telegraph Museum, located just minutes from the beach, tells the story of how undersea cables connected Britain to the world, right from this tiny Cornish village. Beneath your feet lie wartime tunnels that once protected these vital links. Surrounding the beach, the Southwest Coast Path offers scenic walks with breathtaking views, hidden coves, and wild cliffs, perfect for nature lovers and hikers alike. Whether you're watching this to relax, plan your trip, or explore Cornwall from afar, Porthcurno welcomes you with calm, charm, and coastal wonder.